Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Before we get into Western Asset Mortgage here, just a quick note. Members, I'm talking about what I call the flux capacitor trade in our strategy sessions, about half an hour long. Go ahead and take notes. I would highly suggest it. I'm going to show you how to go back and basically make trades that you wish you had made, but didn't make them. So check that out and let me know what you guys think in the forum tomorrow. So, okay, for Western Asset Mortgage, here's the deal. This is the yield on this thing because it's absolutely taken it in the shorts, by the shorts. You can see the chart here, 42%. Now, I don't know whether the company's going to cut their dividend. You'd think so, but over the last couple of days, at one point, the stock's up 76%, and I'd have to think that some of that is due to this huge, massive yield. Like people are wanting high yields when you've got the 10-year down as low as it is. Think about this as 0.8 of 1%. Not even 1%. So then you look at this type of thing and it's just a monster yield. But what's even better is the chart itself. Now the stock's up 25% just today, but you can see after hours it's trading up around $4, close to it. And so that's up another 8.5%. So what's the trade? Okay, I'm not talking about the dividend. I know we've got on our website, we've got yield hog people, fans that own these high dividend yield stocks and do really, really well all throughout the swings in the market. Though, look, anyone would tell you this is one hell of a swing to the downside. But now we're in the upside direction. And so just for a trade, I would suggest this. You want to see the stock tomorrow stay above the close here of 42.47. You really need to see it stay above that level, but I think you can buy the stock hopefully right around where it's trading now, and 450 would be your first level of resistance. That was today's high, but if it clears that, I think you can see $5 on this, and that might not sound like much, but you can do the calculation on a percentage basis. Buying a stock at $4, selling it at $5. I don't know. In my view, that works pretty well. 4.5 million shares traded today, plenty of liquidity. There's your quick trade on this. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.